Come to paradise. Beautiful castle by the beach with direct ocean views from everywhere, the pier and clubhouse. Condo has floor-to-ceiling high-impact windows, completely rebuilt with tile throughout, granite countertops in the kitchen with stainless steel appliances, washer and dryer, master suite with whirlpool tub/shower combo, dual sinks and walk-in closet. Expansive open balcony. Living Florida at its best with the amazing amenities including heated pool, clubhouse, barbecue, covered garage parking, beach access, gym, security, extra storage and bike storage. Walk to restaurants or stroll along the beach or boardwalk, enjoy cocktails, coffee or tea from your balcony, and there are also over 22 restaurants steps away from your home. Best location and views.